Hi guys, in this video I would like to show us step by step how you can run highly converting TikTok ads on your mobile device. Let's dive in. First of all, you log into your TikTok applications, then you go to your profile, click on profile here. When you get there, you can click on the three button on the top right hand on the screen like this. When you click on it, then you click on creator tools. Click on creator tools, then you'll be taken to the page where you see something that looks like promote. Click on promote, and then you'll be taken to this page. On this page, there are different ways you can run or ads, or let me say there are different ad objectives that you can use. As you can see, they say choose your goal here. Choose your goal. You can decide to run ads to get more video views, or you can decide to run ads to get more followers or to get more profile views. And also you can click on get sales. Here it will allow you to run ads to a particular product, or to send traffic from TikTok to your website or to your landing page, so to say. So in this case, you'll be using more website visits. That means you have to input your website, then you select your content, then custom promotion. So in another case, you can decide to use it to get leads. Leads means you want to get customers to your offer, to your service or whatever. So in this case, you can decide to get message from TikTok, like you want your leads to send you a message on TikTok, or you want to receive more phone calls, or you want to receive message through other messaging apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, or other platform where you would like to send your traffic to. So now let's take it one after the other. First of all, if you want to use it to boost our account, that means you can use it to, you can click on more video views, and then you select the video you want to use. In my own case, I only have one video on this my account, so that is my creative. So then you select the package, like the promotion pack you want to use. This 2k to 4,200 views for one video, then that will be costing you 960 naira, or some other packages as you can see below here. Once you select the package you want to go for, then you click on agree on terms. You agree to terms and conditions, then you click on pay. Once you click on pay, your ads will be reviewed and it will be approved. Now let's go to the getting sales option. If you want to use it to get sales, you can just click on more website visits like this, and then you enter your website URL here. If you put your website URL here, you click on save, and then you click on call to action button you want to use. Maybe you want them to see learn more, you want to see shop now or sign up or whatever the case may be. Now let's use my let me put one URL here so you can see how it looks. So I want to put just any URL here just for the benefit of this video. Click on save here, then you click on the call to action button. If it's a sign up button or contact us or apply now, anyone you like. In my own case, let me try to use learn more. So you click on save, and then from there you now select the package that you want to use. So if you want to select your custom audience, you can also do that. Like you want to select the type of people that your ad will be shown to. As you can see here now, they say default audience, TikTok chooses for you. But if you want to select your own audience, you can select. If you want only male to see your ad, you can click on male. If you want to select the age range, you can select as many range as possible here. Like as you can see here now, I'm selecting like 3. So if these are the category of people you want to see your ads, so TikTok will specifically show your ads to this custom or audience that you have selected. And then interest, like if your ads has to do with education, you can select education. If it's about transportation, logistics, or whatever that suits your ads here, you can just select it. That means people that have this kind of metrics, those are the people that TikTok will specifically show your ads to. Then you can click on save. When you click on save, then you can select a promotion pack. You can select your budget per day here, like how much you want to spend per day. You can edit it and select the amount you want to spend per day under this section. If it's let's say you want to spend 2,000 naira per day, you can select it here and click on confirm, and then you can click on preview. Here it will show you how your ads will look like. As you can see here now, This is how your ads will look like when they see your ads. So you will see the learn more button here. When they click on the learn more button here, it will take them to the URL you have input in your ad when you are selecting it. So let's go back. That is about that. After you have selected all those things, then you click on pay. So you'll be taken to the page where you pay, and then your ad will begin to run after review. Now the last option that I want to show you is the get leads option. To get leads, you can decide to send your traffic to TikTok inbox, or you want them to call you. So you will ask to input your phone number here that you want them to call you on, and if you want to receive the message on social media like WhatsApp or whatever, you can click WhatsApp here. They will ask you to input your WhatsApp number there, so that the leads will be able to send you WhatsApp message directly. After you've selected all that, then you can click on, if you want to do custom promotion as I explained earlier, you can click on that. Then you can just pay from there. That's how to set up your TikTok ads that convert pretty well. For more details, you can drop a comment on the post. If you want me to guide you directly or to set up the ad for you, you can contact me and be able to help you do that. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the like button so you can be notified when I drop the next video. Thank you.